Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great. So, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा कन्वर्सेशन ग्रुप नहीं ज्वाइन किया है तो प्लीज जल्दी कीजिए एंड चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, so today I had a conversation with one group, and in that group we were discussing about the current situation which we are facing, like because of pandemic. Okay, so what you guys have to do today, I want you guys to answer the question that if you will get any power, okay, so what changes you will make in our country? Are you getting my point? Like if you will get any power, whatever power it is,
which
so
kind of
what
superpower?
changes you want to, what will be the changes you want to do in our society?
Which kind of superpower?
Okay. Okay, so let's imagine that you will get any kind of political power. Okay, so then what you do? Imagine yourself as a, if you want to change about our education system, so imagine yourself as an education minister and tell me what will be the changes you will make. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, like if you ask me, let me describe. Okay, if you ask me, I want to be a education minister, and I want to change the entire education system because I'm not happy with the current education system. Okay, so I want to change all the concept and structure, and I will do my best to give opportunities to the people who are high qualified, who have all the ability, and who have very good qualification. So I will try to give them better opportunity. So that's the thing which I will do if I'll get any political power. Okay, so what you guys will do, okay, if you have that kind of power, or what you want to become. Okay.
Yeah. I want to become Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
I don't really have any interested in politics, but still I want to be.
Okay, and what changes will you make? What changes you will?
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to demolish the reservation system, because of that in our country many people who are not really deserve but getting that job.
I'm totally 100% agree with you. Yes.
And the person who really deserve and have quality and have strength and have that kind of potential to do work are not getting that job, and because of that work is not being done properly.
Yes.
And because of this our country is not progressing at that exponential level.
Yes, true. Agree.
So as
Okay.
we compare to our country with USA and China, there is no reservation.
Yes.
And they are hiring from our country, because in our country some educated people, some educated students are not getting proper job here, so they are leaving our country and going in USA, because of where they can get their actual kind of job, and they are helping there to make their country progress.
Yes, true. What do you guys think?
If we can, if
are you
if we
agree
can
with
return them?
Yes, are you agree with Mahesh?
Yes.
Yes, Sudha, what do you think?
Yeah, if I will go to power, then I want to change in how in USA for the entire country only one board is there. In India, so many states are there. Everywhere education is different. So that is not good. Here also, in India they are focusing only for theory.
Yes.
When you will finish your studies, when you will go for job, after that you are realizing that there is no need of theory, only practical experience is enough.
Yes.
So I will change that system.
Very good point.
Yes. Afrin.
I got the chance, I will also want to become Prime Minister of India, or in politics, if I got the political power, then I really want to work upon, the want to remove the violence against women. Like women should feel safe when they go out. They can have equal power as men get. And I will, and one another thing that when we see picture of US and other country, that they are so clean, and in our roads there is so much, there is, it's untidy, and we throw garbage just outside our window and everywhere.
Mhm.
And
But
it
don't you
also
think,
garbage.
for that we are responsible for that, for that, unclean environment, for that unclean
Ma'am, we
environment?
can appoint, like they appoint sweepers to clean the road. I think we can appoint some people who will just see that people are not throwing garbage anywhere and everywhere. They are
Yes.
throwing garbage in proper places. And
Mhm.
this violence against women, there is so much, like in rural area, women
Yes.
have to suffer for, dowry system, and for that, parents started to feel that that a girl child is burden, because when a girl child is born, they have to arrange for their dowry.
Mm.
And that some people think that it's better to not to give the girl, not to educate the girl, not spend money in girls education, than to save that money and give her dowry. I just want to aware more people that it's not good. Women should be independent.
Mhm.
There should be more and more awareness program, so that parents will know that boy and girl uh, are equal, and they should not discriminate the boy and girl child in their home. They should treat them equally. They should tell them that yes, you can do whatever you want, like your brother can do. No, they should not say that you have to behave in certain way, and your brother can do whatever he wants. He can go out in night, and a girl cannot go out. And
Yeah.
you have to dress in a manner, and you cannot dress in this manner.
But I
A
think
girl,
this kind of discrimination starts from our house. Is it so?
yeah, from our house.
Yes,
Yeah.
and women are equally
So,
responsible for this, this kind of discrimination,
yeah,
because they treat,
I think
But
girls
ma'am,
like,
political,
they treat girls like, okay, now after married you have to go to other place, and boys,
yeah,
घर
yeah.
का चिराग.
I think
Yes.
this is because of lack of education, lack of awareness.
Yes.
They follow their tradition. They
Mhm.
follow their tradition. So political leaders are in such a position that they can run this awareness program. They can make people more and more aware about this.
Yes.
And so that people's mentality can change. Women will feel more comfortable in going out and doing their things. And if a woman will feel safe, I think so much violence will reduce.
Yes.
And one another thing I like to work upon is that we make the law, but we don't implement the law.
Law. True.
There are so
True.
much happening in between.
Yes.
Laws are not properly implemented.
Mm,
So
yes.
I will like to appoint, or I will like to check that the people who are in charge, they are doing their job properly,
Yes. True. True.
like the way they should be doing.
Yes.
Because
Right.
but ma'am,
I was
corruption is
reading
also a
that,
Yes, Mahesh.
yeah,
Yes.
corruption is also there, ma'am. Everyone in system is somehow corrupted.
Yes.
corrupted. Yeah,
So how
I
That's
want
the
how
to.
can we
main
change
problem.
that system? So what, uh, where we should focus?
As I
What
as
do
I
you
said,
think?
ma'am, earlier that after removing the reservation, we can work on it, because when educated guys coming, like just like UPSC, IITs, IIMs,
Hmm.
Those guys are very intelligent and cream of our country.
Hmm.
I don't
So
think that this restriction system should be removed totally, because now also there are people who are,
it should be given,
yeah,
but not on the basis of caste. I think it should be given on the basis of their financial situation, and at least
Financial
yeah.
situation.
someone is not.
Sorry, I'm not getting your
No,
point.
I
Financial
mean,
situation.
those who are financially weak.
like you
I
were
mean that,
saying that people who are general
who actually
caste,
don't have money to pay
general, but
for
they
their.
are not financially strong, but
Yeah,
they have to suffer in like a competitive exams. They have to score more, they have to pay a higher amount for their application fees also. And the people from scheduled caste, SC and ST, they have to pay less.
Yes.
You're
yes, ma'am.
saying that?
Yes,
But
yes,
I think there should be there should be proper check that only deserving people should get this caste system facility,
Hmm.
yes.
because totally
Because
removing it will not be good,
Hmm.
because
because
I have seen
now
many
also
people.
Okay, what do you guys think about
But
reservation?
how, one thing I would
reservation.
like to say,
Yes, Simran.
how you will check, how you will check if someone is deserving or not? Because if we will check, sorry, uh, if the criteria will be on economic basis, then how we will check? Because anyone can make fake documents
Yes,
so
most
that
of
they
the
are
people have
to
fake documents. I have seen that there are lots
most
of
people.
people who are very, financially strong, but still they guys have that weaker section certificate. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
true, Simran.
My
Yes, your
some
point is
of my
valid.
friends
I think
also.
in foreign how unemployed people are staying in government house. Governments are providing them food, shelter, everything for unemployed people. That is good, I think. If the system will change like that,
Hmm.
I think it will be good for India.
True. Tell
If
me
I get the
about your country condition. Like, tell me about Bangladesh. What kind of situation you
yes,
guys
yes,
are
ma'am.
facing, and
If I get the
please
yes,
go ahead.
if I get the political power, I want to be a educational minister, and I want to change the English learning system, because we all know every language, we if we want to learn a language, there are 4 steps to learning. That is writing, listening, reading, and speaking. So there is no marks in our school in speaking English. We have marks on writing, we have marks on grammar, speaking. So I want to change the system. I want to put some marks on speaking, English speaking.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so you want to change our education system. Okay, same do I also think the
Yes,
same, because I think
I think that
education is the most important thing. Okay, and if I change the you know um, क्या बोलते हैं, it's if we change structure of our education system, maybe things will become better. I think so. What do you guys think?
that's true, ma'am. Because
Yeah, ma'am. True.
speak English from our childhood.
Thinking about the education system, that is it, if we progress our education system, then it will bring change in our life.
Yes,
Are
yes,
you
yes,
asking me that?
that's my question.
Yes, ma'am. I think education system. If we change our education system, then it will definitely bring change in our life. It like there are government schools where children can go and they can study by spending less amount of money,
Mhm.
but they are not getting quality education there.
Hmm.
There is always private school are better than government school.
Hmm.
So there should be that
Okay, yes,
teacher should be
sorry for interrupting you, but I always think about it like, if we see the latest scenario there, government teacher gets more, money comparison to
Yeah.
if
And
we
even
compare
they
to
are
private sectors. But private teachers,
very
put more
qualified.
efforts. Yes, they are more qualified, but still
Yeah.
I think they
But
don't give their 100%.
they don't give their 100% because they think that once we got the government job, we are secured.
Yes,
Nobody
yes.
will, nobody will, what I say, sack, from
Can
a
sack
job,
us.
Fire them. Nobody can
yeah,
fire them.
nobody can fire them from their
Yes.
job if they don't do their job properly. So they felt the sense of security
Purity.
leads to, I think, they started neglecting the process of teaching. They don't teach properly.
Yes, true.
uh,
Yes.
yeah,
And we see
and
that
that's
kind
why
of situation in every sector. I mean, not in education
Yeah.
only. Everywhere
Not in
we see that, in
every
government hospital, we can see there,
Yeah.
peoples are like, they don't care about anyone, and we don't get that kind of facility which required for someone, So I think,
yeah,
yeah.
that's why I'm
So,
saying that
so how can we
government
change
makes the
that?
law, but proper implementation is not happening.
Mhm.
So we need to focus on that. Whatever laws we are making, it should be implemented properly.
Mhm.
Like in police station, when you go there will be a lot of question, and people are scared of these questions, and they thought, no, I will not go to the police station. They want to keep distance from police station. And 90% of the like this rape case, 90% rape case does not even register in the police station.
Mhm.
And the woman education, I think educating our women is most important part to making our women empowered.
But don't you think
And
that only
educate
educate those people who have power, I mean political power, only they can change these things? Because a normal teacher or a normal person who have good qualification, or who have normal degree, I mean matlab, ek, as a
I
normal
think
person,
people don't
we
take
cannot change
seriously.
anything. We can
Yeah.
change our society, we can change the people's perspective, but if we talk about practical things, we can't change that. Only single person cannot change that. So what do you guys
Saying that,
think?
yeah.
Like, if you
Only
don't have any kind
Ma'am,
of
the problem is that
any kind of political power, how can, so I don't think so that you can change anything.
Ma'am,
What do you guys think?
a politician, it's hard to a politician to change this, ma'am, because once get selected and they have some responsibility with their parties. If they want to change something, they won't be able to do it very easily, because
Yes.
there is a vote bank something.
Yes,
I
vote
know
bank.
everybody
Yes.
know the reservation system is not good, and whatever laws you're making are not implemented properly, but still no one is taking care of that, because and they just like a very big politician already know this is happening, and they are not taking steps just because they don't want to uh, uh, what we can say, like
That they don't want to lose their
lose their voters.
vote bank. Yes,
Just
yes,
if they just remove reservation, they all who are getting benefit from it not going to vote them.
yes,
And that's
true.
the main problem. Just like US, there are only there is a law that you can't be a president more than twice. So they know that we are not going to be elected after 2 times. So they literally
Yes,
do that's the
yes,
country really wants.
yes, true.
Maybe not in their first term, but second term they do with their full honesty. Whatever they can do, they don't care about votes.
Yes, true.
I think this should be also happen in our country. Like one
But
person cannot be
but
a prime minister more than
we always do complaining. you know, but when it comes
Yeah.
to do something, we never take any kind of a step. Like, you know, most of the youth are not interested in politics. You know, they want to become a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, but they are not interested and they are not ready to go in political parties. They don't want to
Yes,
join that
ma'am.
party. So I think if you only complain and you don't do anything, that I mean, it doesn't make sense. Because if you want to change something, so take part in that. What do you what do you guys think?
Okay,
That's
ma'am. Then
my thinking. What do
We
you
are
guys think?
sitting here.
okay,
We are
ma'am. Then
sitting here
I'm
and giving
I'm
advice is
deciding
very
to
easy.
joining
Yes.
politics. So I need you guys support. So
Yes, Sudha,
can you vote me?
what you were saying?
No, we are sitting here and giving advice is very
Yes,
easy.
true.
Yes.
Yes, sitting here and
Before
just
think,
giving advice is very easy, but you know,
at
when it
first
comes on
we have to
implement,
think. We are, am I correct? Am I correct? We are going with bike and we are giving traffic police bribe. Yeah,
yes,
it's not good. We are doing a
exactly.
wrong thing.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, at first we need to change. After
yes.
that we can tell others.
So I
I
think
think
we should
everything
firstly
starts.
change ourselves, and then
Yeah.
we ask someone to change the system or anything else. So it's our responsibility first that we should change ourselves. Is it so?
Ourselves, yeah.
Hmm.
We should
Okay.
first change ourselves, and we should also, everything starts from home. I
Hmm.
think we should start it from our home itself first, and
Yes.
we should every person will be educated. It should not be like woman and man.
So
Every person
ma'am,
has a
so
right to
ma'am,
education, and if
True.
they have their education, and there will be awareness programs, if people will be aware of the thing. And I think most of the people does not question. They just they if they get money, they will vote for any
Yes.
political leader.
Yes. True.
Yeah, because
That's
they
true.
need money, because they need
ma'am.
it,
So
because they don't have any food in the
Hmm.
home.
Yes.
Basic need is not fulfilling.
Hmm.
Yeah, and this, because of this pandemic, many people go even below poverty line. They
Yes.
don't have even
Food.
thing to eat, so they
Yes.
need money. If
Hmm.
somebody will give them money, they will vote. They don't know their how valuable their vote is.
Yes.
So
True.
there should be awareness program.
Yes. Awareness is very
Otherwise, this
important.
will
Yes.
continue.
Afrin, totally agree.
Yeah.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Only then
Awareness
people
is
will
very
ask,
important.
people will start
Hmm.
questioning. Only then they will start questioning.